the video bugo gloyat.
Asembi.
I get buchandiro nine.
Asembi.
Sabuni legangu.
Asembi.
Oh, we na gangu.
Asembi.
I get Burundi mato like this. I get Burundi mato. Bugide mato. Bugide ma woke ma wine.
Asembi.
Me mama. That's why I say na challenge in the Kano. Na challenge Simon Lepa. Na challenge B44. Na challenge go Bituzo. I go shake capital soup. We go fry you like a plantain. Plantain cheese. Confirm. I won't dig it. Get hate here.
I got people to understand that the gentle de Yahoo is not the one killing them, but Onyedikachi Egwon, aka Ediafono. So I want to debunk the lies of DOS. I want to debunk the lies of Nigerian security agencies. I want to debunk Ebekudike. I want to debunk all those who are carrying this propaganda and lies. Gentle the killer is not killing innocent people.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button. Hello Biafrans, welcome to Magnetic Jigs TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone and wherever you are watching us from. Welcome to Magnetic Jigs TV. Today being 22 of August 2025, we, the team of Magnetic Jigs TV, is bringing this news to you live and direct. The Lion Squad of the Biafra Liberation Army has warned all the saboteurs that are sabotaging the restoration of Biafra, in the likes of Ebekudike, Stanless, and other DOS members that are fighting everything to make sure that they bring Gentle the Yahoo down, and Jacob, Igwe and some other commanders of the Biafra Liberation Army. So these are the Lion Squad of Biafra Liberation Army. They have sent a warning to those that are fighting against them. According to them, they say that they are not fighting any innocent person. They are not against anybody that is not against them. That all they know is that they must surely restore Biafra. And anybody who stands on their way, they will clear the person. Just like our forefathers fought in the year 1967 to 1970. That's the way they are going to fight this time around. You know? So they gave this warning people to stay away from sabotaging them or isuha imi. Makanonya obena haji dokwara suru himi na ebere adrokwu yao. This is what they said in this video.
Challenge this hand go shake. So I high challenge this hand go shake. When this hand shake, the body go laugh. The body go laugh. Where we come kill for we to conquer and merit. For Biafra society. Fine, I know no job. Fine, I told you. When fine, Fine tango buni I am paying gra. The body go laugh. Ocean paying duran. I get you kuna wakado. Because so na ya do oge chukuna wakado. Osi we land na before na see get the the video bugo gloyat. I get buchandiro nine. Sabuni legangu. Oh, we na gangu. I get Burundi mato like this. I get Burundi mato. Bugide mato. Bugide ma woke ma wine. Me mama. That's why I say na challenge in the Kano. Na challenge Simon Lepa. Na challenge B44. Na challenge go Bituzo. I won't dig it. I go shake capital soup. We go fry you like a plantain. Plantain cheese. Confirm. I won't dig it. Get hate here.
Here, Bunandi Moko, around this job. It's happening live now. It's happening live.
Okay, this is still what is going on in Okigwe, because we told you guys that Okigwe is now a war zone. But the major thing there are certain people's house on fire. There are certain ancestral homes of many people on fire, rendering so many people homeless. Now, so many people are leaving Okigwe, running into another states or another villages to go and harbor there because of what is going on right now currently in Okigwe. Umaka, though Umaka is not that disturbing the way it is in Okigwe. Okigwe is just the major place that all these things are happening at the moment, because they believe that NJ Makeup, Gentle the Yahoo, and some other commanders are into Okigwe, that they must make sure that they bring them down. Even Owa, who happens to be one of the commanders of the Biafran Liberation Army, that they must surely bring them down. So that is why Okigwe is already very hot. NJ Makeup is here again to debunk some news, according to him, by DOS, Ebekudike, and some other people who are bringing up propaganda, saying that Gentle Yahoo said that he is going to buy all the Ako communities, all the Ako villagers. And I recall that BBC Igbo also said something like that. Na Gentle Sona oge bushisi ndi obodie bunde Ako. Now NJ Makeup is here to debunk all those rumors, trying to enlighten people, to bring it to the notice of the international community that Gentle Yahoo did not say anything like that, but he said that anybody that stands on his way, that he will not restate to buy the person and take the person away from his way. This is exactly what NJ Makeup came up here to debunk the lies of those that are fighting to bring Gentle Yahoo down.
Biafrans, the attention of Biafra Defense Forces has been drawn over the ongoing propaganda against Major General Gentle Yahoo by the men of DOS, Nigerian security agencies. I am here to debunk their lies and for the international community to understand. I want you to, this video now that is circulating, this information is for the people of Ako. For Ako people to understand that the Gentle Yahoo is not the one killing them, but Onyedikachi Egwon, aka Ediafono, who is from Ako. It's not Gentle Yahoo, Ifeanyi Okorinteze killing you. So I want to use this opportunity to let the international community, lovers of freedom, leaders of conscience, for them to follow me and watch this video now. Full video. Today is 22nd of July 2025, and this video, this broadcast, this very broadcast now I want to show you now was made on 28th of July 2025, not on the 6th of August 2025. So I want to debunk the lies of DOS. I want to debunk the lies of Nigerian security agencies. I want to debunk Ebekudike. I want to debunk all those who are carrying this propaganda and lies. Gentle the killer is not killing innocent people. But if you believe that you will stand against him, my brother, I don't think he will allow you to stop him. So watch this full video for you to understand the problem of Ako. Ebekudike and Ediafono are the problem of Okigwe, and they are the one that is leading Fulanis in military uniform to kill Okigwe people and burning down people's house, because Ediafono himself has no home. That's why he is destroying people's house. I want to bring to the notice of Finland for them to understand the atrocity, the ongoing atrocities, the ongoing genocide war that is currently going on in the Okigwe state and Olo, precisely as I'm talking to you. Share this video and watch this video amicably for you to understand the real truth.
Now, one of the DOS member who happens to be Ikenga is calling on Makeup to resign. He said that Makeup should accept amnesty now that the window is open. He called also on these two guys, 001 and 002. He said that they should accept amnesty now, so that Hope Uzodinma will give them a better job. That they should accept amnesty and forget anything called Biafra. That Biafra is not going to come any day, anytime. That Biafra is not even going to exist any day. So he called upon Makeup, 001, 002, and some other top commanders of Biafran Liberation Army that they should resign and accept amnesty. Guys, what do you think? Do you think that Ikenga Uruagu is right, or is he just blabbing?
Makeup or Ikenga na-akpọ gị ajụjụ nche ịjụ gị bụ, ị dịgo ready to surrender ka chọrọ ịga ka ndị ọzọ si wee gaa? Ana m ajụ gị nwa bụ the next, the 001, 002 and the rest of you, are you ready to surrender or not? I'm going to deceive most of you by preaching or teaching you people name where Biafra somewhere coming anytime soon. And where are any Biafra anywhere coming anytime soon? Manamamna, the people that propagated it will not like to tell you people the truth. But I'm going to the truth today. Now, Johnny has asked you, are you ready to surrender, or you want the operation to continue? My advice to all of you is to surrender your weapon now. There is no any Biafra anywhere coming anytime soon. You people are deceived. They deceived you. You people are paving their own ways. By the end of the day, some of them will be settled with a lot of money, and they will become owners of hotels. Man, again, why I'm not in hellfire? Are you ready to surrender? If not, get ready.
Well, can we interact in our comment section? We all love you. Remember, above all things, let there be peace. Peace is what we want in Igbo land, in Biafran land. Let there be peace. Enough is enough of enough is enough of buying. Enough is enough. We all love you. Share this video. Share this video. Let us interact in our comment section. Yes, you. Bye.